In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Grokipedia in Grok AI. Think of Grokipedia as a built-in knowledge hub inside Grok, an organized place where you can dive into explanations, references, and how-tos that help you get more from the AI. We'll keep it simple and focus on the essentials so you can follow along in real time. First, open your Grok account. You can do this on the web or in the app, whatever you normally use. Once you're signed in and on the main screen, you're ready for the next part. If you're new to Grok, all this means is getting to the home interface where you typically start conversations or manage your settings. Next, click Profile. Look toward the top corner of the screen for your avatar or your initials. That's the Profile button. Clicking it opens your profile area, which is where Grok puts account-related options and tools. Don't worry if your profile layout looks a little different based on your device. The idea is the same. You're just opening the panel that shows your personal settings and available features. Inside that profile area, you'll see Grokipedia. It usually appears as a clearly labeled item, just like any other feature. When you spot Grokipedia, select it to open the library. If it's your first time, give the page a second to load. There's often a lot of content organized behind the scenes. Layouts can update over time, but the label Grokipedia is what you're looking for. From here, you can simply explore to use it. Start by browsing the main categories to get a feel for how things are organized. If you have a goal in mind, use the search bar to jump straight to a topic. Open an entry to read the overview, then scan any examples or related links to build context quickly. If you see filters, they can help you narrow by subject or format. Some interfaces also let you mark favorites or save items, which is useful if you want to build a quick reference list. Take your time with the structure. Many entries are designed to link to each other, so following those connections can deepen your understanding fast. To recap, open your Grok account, click Profile, locate Grokipedia, and then explore. That's all you need to get started. As you spend a few minutes inside Grokipedia, you'll find it becomes a handy companion for learning features, clarifying concepts, and discovering tips you might have missed. Enjoy exploring, and let Grokipedia guide you to exactly what you need.